Hello friends, myself Manjushri Gunjagaonkar from Sri Jain Vidya Prasarak Mandals, Rasikla Lem Dhariwal College of Pharmacy, Chinswad. Now in this video we are mainly focusing on concept of health. Now in the first part we are going to study what is mean by health, what are the different dimensions of health and in detail about the dimensions of health. After watching this video, you will be able to understand all these terminologies. So first, we'll look forward for the definition of health. Health is defined as a state of complete physical, mental, and social well being, and not merely the absence of any disease or infirmity. Apart from that, we have to also know different other definitions like health education and community pharmacy. Health education is nothing but a process that informs, motivates, and helps people to adapt and maintain the healthy practices and lifestyle, advocate environmental changes as needed to facilitate this goal, and conduct the professional training and research to the same end. Community pharmacy is dealing with healthcare facility that provides pharmaceutical services to the community and dispenses medicines and typically involves a registered pharmacist. Next we are going to see the dimensions of health. So the WHO mainly includes three dimensions of health, that is physical health, mental health and social health. Many more can be included under the dimension category. So, the various dimensions which affect our health are physical health, which is also called physical dimension, mental health or mental dimension, social health or social dimension, spiritual health, spiritual dimension, emotional dimension, and vocational dimension. So, first we'll see what is meant by physical dimension. So, it is the perfect functioning of the body. Physical dimension is nothing but the perfect functioning of the body, that is a state in which every cell and every organ is functioning at optimum capacity and in perfect harmony with the rest of the body. The signs of the physical health are good complexion, clear skin, bright eyes, lustrous hair with a body clothed with a firm flesh, not too fat and not too thin. Sweet breath, sound sleep, smooth, easy, coordinated body movements, good appetite, regular activities of bowel and bladder, and all the organs of the body are of unexceptional size and functioning normally. All special senses are intact, and the resting pulse rate, blood pressure, and exercise tolerance are at normal range of the individual's age and sex. So, this is regarding the physical dimension. Now, next is mental dimension. It is defined as state of balance between the individual and the surrounding world, that is self confidence, self control, and has a respect for other. Now there are various type of the mental diseases like psychosis, schizophrenia and depression. Psychosis is nothing but the marked impairment in the behavior with the serious inability of the person to think. Schizophrenia is nothing but disturbed thinking and emotional withdrawal from the society. And depression is characterized by unhappiness, uninterested, hopelessness, etc. Now, the next and the most important dimension of the health is social dimension, or we can call it as a social health. It is defined as quantity and quality of individuals' interpersonal ties and the extent of involvement of that person with the community. It implies harmony and integration within the individual, between each individual and other members of society, and between individuals and the world in which they live. Next comes the spiritual dimension. According to the medical science, soul and body are two different things, and spiritual health is think to be a connecting link between them. It includes the integrity, principle, and ethics, as well as the purpose of life, the commitment to someone higher beings. Next comes the emotional dimension. There are definite difference between the mental and emotional dimensions of the health. Mental health can be seen as knowing or cognition, whereas the emotional health reflects the feeling of the person. So, there is a difference between the emotional and the mental health of the individual. Next comes the vocational dimension, which is the last dimension from the dimensions. This dimension of the health is concerned with the vocational aspects of the life or vocational capacities of the person. That includes the capacity or limitation of an individual in relation to his working to achieve the desired targets and the goal. So, this is regarding the various dimensions of the health and the related definitions which can have impact over the health. So, thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you.